Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I show you how to record calls on your Samsung phone. The phone which I am using right now is Samsung S24 Ultra, but the setting is same in all Samsung phones. So what you have to do is just click on phone icon from here and click on three dots. After that, go to settings, and inside the setting you will see record calls option. Just click on it and you see this is the option auto record calls. By default it is off. If you want to turn it on, just click on it and it will be turned on. After that, there is one more setting called show notification after recording. If it is turned on, you will get notified once the call is recorded at the end of the call. It is a good practice to keep it turned on so that you know that a call has been recorded. Now all the calls that are recorded will be inside recorded calls. Since I don't have any call recorded at the moment, that's why you don't see it. If I click on it, there's no menu. Otherwise there would have been a menu where all the calls would have been listed that are recorded. And if you want to delete all the calls that are older than 1 month, just click on this last option and all the calls will be deleted automatically. Now that's it. I'm going to turn it off to show you one more time how you can get to this menu without even going to the phone icon. Just click on settings and after that search here, just a second, call recording, and there you see record calls and click on record call. Same menu appears now again. So that's how you can access the call recording menu and see all the calls that are recorded and do the settings as needed. If you want to know more about other settings that are there in the Samsung phone, let me know, and in my next video I'll show you how to send all your calls that are unintended to the voicemail, just like you do in iPhone. It is a great option to have. My friends who have iPhone, they kind of boast this setting, so I just wanted to let all my friends know that you can also do it on your Samsung phone. It is an option there, so in my next video it will be that. So once again, you just need to go to settings or go to this phone menu and click on three dots and you will see settings. Inside settings there is record calls, and this is where you get the option to turn it on or off. Since I have no call recordings on, that's why you see it is turned off. If I want to do call recordings, I will just click it on and it will be turned on. And that's about it. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. And if you want to take a look at other call settings, you can do it from here. In the same menu, you will see call screening, text call, live translate, record call, call captions, direct voicemail, etc. Everything is inside call settings. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching.